National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Oldham County in central Kentucky, northwestern Shelby County in central Kentucky until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located just northwest of Crestwood, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Was located just northwest of
50 miles an hour,
moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Source,
Expected
radar
hazard.
indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, LaGrange, Crestwood, Orchard Grass Hills, Peewee Valley, Chestnut Grove, Dimpletown, Buckner, Floresburg, and Ballardsville.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm.